Hello friends, my name is Carlos. I am from Baywall Dias, and in today's video I am going to explain how to create your personalized animations in Element. Okay, so you understand me, I mean. To the animations, we apply the container to any widget from the advanced and motion effects. Okay, so let's create custom animations referring to animations, scroll entries. Okay, for example, here you see how I have created my own animation, my animations, and the sliding man animations. Okay, if you have CSS knowledge, you can create your own animations, but if not, you can do them with Animista. Okay, it's a website, it's a CSS animation library. Okay, and I'm going to explain how to make them with Animista before getting into what the tutorial is. As always, I would appreciate it if you like the video, you will see it below, or the content I make. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, you will activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. And I also invite you that if you have any doubts or questions, leave them in the comments. In Animista, we have animations cataloged by basic organizations, input animations, text output, and attention. Okay, and good background animations. If we select here, all the animations associated with the entries appear, and here each of the variations is valid. Then you see how, depending on the variation, since it shows us the type of effect below. Okay, so once you have the animation selected, look, for example, we are going to do with a flipping. Okay, we define the time, the duration of the animation here is okay, and we come here so that it gives us the code. It gives us the class in which we have the animation defined, and the one that under the credit ends of the animation then. We are going to copy the class first, and then here I am going to do it from the beginning, so that you can see clearly where the CSS is placed. Okay? As I said, we have taken the class from Animist, and we are going to go to Appearance, Customize, and here we are going to go to Additional CSS. Okay, I delete all this from the animation I have right now. Okay, and we paste the class, and then we turn to Animist and copy the keyframes. Okay, we copy and paste them here. Okay, and we publish. And now to add our custom animations to the element selector, we are going to work with a PHP function. So what I recommend is to install a free plugin called Code Snippets. Okay, I will leave it in the description. It is completely free. And what we are going to do is that when we have installed the plugin here, we see that this new tab of code fragments is created for us. Okay, we're going to tell him, let's see, I'm going to delete this thing that I have created, the one that I have already created, okay? And we're going to create a new one. We give it a title. Function to apply my animations, okay? And here we copy and paste this code that I will leave you in a link. In the description, we copy and paste it. So here we define the title of the custom animation group of my animation group, so that you understand it better, I mean. Okay, here you see that I have the title in my animations. Well, that is the title of all my animations. Okay, so to make it a little different, I'm going to put my group of custom animations. Okay, here we are going to put the animation class that we have copied from Animist. To get the class, we just come here, okay, to the animation and copy the title of the class. Copy, come here and paste it, okay? And here we are going to define the title of the animation in the selector. Okay, that is, here it is. Okay, for example, let's see what type of animation, that good one. I am going to put a Philippine on. It's okay to go a little fast. So I'm going to tell you flip in. Okay, here I'm going to save. I don't know if I have saved. And here I'm also going to save the changes. And then now I'm going to update my element page so that the animations are applied, that the animation that I created. Okay, and then let's see. I'm going to delete this. I'm also going to add an image. I'm going to select the image. I'm going to modify the size of this. I'm going to put 150 by 150. And if now I select the image and I go to advanced, to the input animations, okay? And I select the animation that I have created. Okay, my animation is this. Okay, there you have the effect. Okay, so here you can also play with the animation duration and delay. Okay, if I publish now and I come to my page and update, we will check that the animation is applied when you scroll. Okay, there you go. Okay, you want to create another custom animation? Well, then we are going to go to the code snippets worth the code that we have created personalized. And what we have to do is double this line. Okay? We duplicate this line and glue it down here. And now we're going to go animist. I'm going to create a text animation, for example. Okay? Let's see. Look at this. For example, okay, come in then. We return to the code and repeat the operation. We copy the class. We are going to personalize the appearance. We paste, and now we're going to copy the keyframes, huh? And we stick them down here, okay, and public. And now we go to the code. We copied the class. The kind of animation that we have here, okay, we paste it here and give it a title. Then you can say text animation, okay, and we save changes. And now if I come to my element and here I put a text widget, a header. Because, well, no, I have to update it so that it collects the new animation. But hey, for now I'm going to do it like this. And now I save changes and refresh the page so that the text animation that we have created appears. Okay, I select the widget that I come advanced motion effects, and we are going to select the text animation. Okay, there's the animation. Okay, we publish, and if I come here and check to scroll the animation, okay, I'm telling you, here you have a lot of animations and their variations. Simply by repeating the steps we have done, you can apply any of the animations you have to the Animista library, and if you have knowledge of CSS, you can create your own. Okay, I hope you liked the video that helped you. If so, I remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell to receive notifications of future videos. Doubts and questions in the comments. See you in future videos. See you later.